Today, this is B. Ramarao from SRRS Government Polytechnic, Sircilla. Subject General Chemistry for first semester, first year student in Diploma. Common C104. Subject code. Today we discuss our topic electronic configuration and orbitals. Electronic configuration and orbitals. What is electronic configuration? How do made up electronic configuration? What are orbital? How many types of orbitals? How to draw orbitals? What are the differences between orbit and orbital? Orbit and orbital. Objectives. On the completion of this period, you will be able to know electronic configuration depends on some principles. Those are Abbo's principle, Wundt's rule, Pauli's principle, shapes of orbital, differences between orbit and orbitals. In this hour, on the completion, you will be able to know about electronic configuration. These electronic configuration depends on some principles. Those are Abbo's principle, Wundt's rule, Pauli's principle, shapes of orbitals, differences between orbit and orbital. In these topics we discuss now. Electronic configuration. A detailed way of showing the order in which electrons fill in around the nucleus. A detailed way of showing the order in which electrons fill in around the nucleus. Around the nucleus. The number of electrons filled in around the nucleus. The distribution of electrons in various available orbitals in an atom in ground state is called electronic configuration. A detailed way of showing the order in which electrons fill in around the nucleus. The distribution of electrons in various available orbitals in an atom in ground state is called electronic configuration. The detailed way of showing the order in which electrons fill in around the nucleus. These electronic configuration depends on some rules for writing electronic configuration. The following rules are followed while writing electronic configuration. Abbo's principle, Wundt's rule, Pauli's exclusion principle. This configuration is nothing but the electrons filled in various available orbits or orbitals filled depends on some principles. Those are Bose principle, Ohm's rule, Pauli's exclusion principle. Three rules given electronic configuration. Those are Bose principle, Pauli's exclusion principle, Ohm's rule. Bose principle, Pauli's principle, Ohm's rule. Bose principle. Bose principle states that electron enter the lowest energy orbital first. The electrons enter into orbitals. Those orbitals have some energies. Which orbital energy is lowest energy, then electron enter first in lower energy orbital. The lower the principal quantum number value n, the lower the energy. The lower the principal quantum number n value, lower the energy. Bose state that electrons enter the lowest energy orbitals first. The lower the principal quantum number n value, lowest the energy. Within an electron level, energy levels, s orbitals are the lowest energy, followed by p, d and f orbitals. F orbitals are the highest energy for the level. Orbitals are s orbital, p orbital, d orbital and f orbital. In these four orbitals, s orbital have lowest energy orbital. So electron first fill in s orbital, then after p orbital, d orbital and f orbital. F orbitals are the highest energy for that level. F orbitals have higher energy level orbitals. Bose principle. Fill lower energy orbital first. This principle is called Bose principle. Building up principle. This principle is stated as follows. Electrons enter into lower energy orbital before enter into higher energy orbital. Electrons are filled progressively in the increasing order of energies. The principle is useful in the calculation of the relative energies of different orbitals on the basis of n plus L value. N plus L value. N means principal quantum number, L means azimuthal quantum number. No more than 2 electrons in an orbitals ever. No more than 2 electrons in an orbitals. The next rule is the Pauli's exclusion principle. Pauli's principle. No two electrons in an atom can have same values for 4 quantum numbers. No two electrons in an atom can have same values for 4 quantum numbers. That means the spin have been paired. We usually represented this with an up arrow mass. and downward arrow mark. Since there is only ns orbital per energy levels, only two electrons fill that orbitals present two electrons. These two electrons are different spin levels. One is clockwise rotation, another one is anti-clockwise rotation. The two electrons in an atom different in at least one quantum number is called Pauli's exclusion principle. Kuhn's rule. Kuhn's rule states that when you get degenerate orbitals, you fill them in off configuration, then after fill pairing of electrons. Whenever degenerate orbitals are available, degenerate orbitals are available for electrons, the pairing of electrons takes place only after all orbitals are filled with one electron each. Whenever degenerate orbitals are available per electron, the pairing of electrons takes place only after all orbitals are filled with one electron each. These orbitals having same energy are called degenerate orbitals. Degenerate means they have the same energy. So the 2p orbital and each level are three degenerate orbitals because they all have same energy. Similarly, d orbital and f orbitals are degenerate orbitals. D orbital have 5 degenerate orbitals. F orbital have 7 degenerate orbitals. Relative energies of orbitals. Energy of atomic orbitals increases with increase in value of azimuthal quantum number. Azimuthal quantum number lambda or L value, s orbital L value 0, p orbital L value 1, d orbital L value is 2, f orbital L value is 3. So, increasing energy levels of different orbitals of azimuthal quantum number value increases, then relative energy of orbital also increases. In this, s, p, d, f orbitals are different orbital. In these different orbitals, azimuthal quantum number is maximum of f orbital. So f orbital have higher energy orbital than spt orbitals. Relative energies of orbits. Energy of orbit increases with increase in value of principal quantum number. N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. Then n value increases, energy of orbit also increases. The principle is useful in the calculation of relative energies of different orbitals. Depends on principal quantum number, that is orbit number, and azimuthal quantum number L. N and L value. N value increases, the relative energy of orbit also increase. L value of s orbital, L value 0, p orbital L value is 1, d orbital L value is 2, f orbital L value is 3. The maximum number of electrons in orbitals s orbital have 2 electrons, p orbital 6 electrons, d orbital 10 electrons, f orbital 14 electrons, that is maximum number of electrons fulfilled in orbitals. According to Abbo's principle depends on principal quantum number n value and azimuthal quantum number l value. Orbitals with lowest value of n plus l are filled first. The greater the n plus l value, more will be the energy of orbit. 4s and 3d orbital. 4s orbital n plus l value 4 plus 0, that is equal to 4. 3d orbital n plus l value is n value is 3, l value is 2, therefore 3 plus 2 5. Then 4s and 3d two different orbitals, but n plus value is which is greater value, that higher energy orbital. In these two orbital, 3d orbital have more energy than 4s orbital. 3d is more energetic orbital than 4s orbital. So electron first enter into 4s orbital, then after enter into 3d orbital. In case two different orbitals have same value of n plus l, then electron will go in the orbital which have lowest value of principal quantum number. If the n plus l value is same for two orbitals, the orbital with low n value have lower energy. 4s 3p. 4s orbital n plus l value n is equal to 4, s orbital l is equal to 0, that is equal to n plus l value of 4s orbital 4 plus 0, that is equal to 4. 3p orbital n value is 3, p orbital l value is 1. Therefore 3p orbital n plus l value 3 plus 1, that is equal to 4. The two energies of 3p and 4s orbitals are same. The two orbitals have same values of n plus l value. The electron will go in the orbital which have lowest value of n. Lowest value of n. These 3p and 4s orbital. The energy of 3p is less than 4s orbital. The relative energies of orbitals can also obtained from Euler diagrams. These different orbitals of different energies can be calculated by using diagram Euler diagram. These 4s and 3p orbitals have same energy. So orbital first fill in which have lowest value of principal quantum number n value. 3p orbital n is equal to 3, 4s orbital n is equal to 4. Then 3p lower energy orbital than 4s orbital. Electron first enter into 3p orbital, then after enter into 4s orbital, depends on principal quantum number n value. 1s as lowest n plus l value. So filling of electrons start from 1s orbital. 1s orbital n plus L value 1 plus 0, that is equal 1. First, electron enter into 1s orbital, then after enter into 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p, 6s, 4f, 5d, 6p, 7s. These energies increasing diagram is called Euler diagram. The orbitals are arranged in the increasing order of their energies as following: 1s less than 2s less than 2p less than 3s, so on. 2p and 3s have same n plus L value, but 2p is filled first due to lower n value. 2p first will fill due to lower n value, then 3s. As per rule, 4s is filled before 3d due to lower n plus L value. 4s and 3d. 4s orbital n plus L value is 4, 3d orbital n plus L value is 5. Then electron first enter into 4s orbital, then after enter into 3d orbital. Rules for filling electronic orbitals. Abbo's principle. Electrons are added in orbitals in order to increasing energy values. Pauli's exclusion principle. No two electrons in the same orbital can have the same values of four quantum numbers. Wundt's rule. Electrons occupy equal energy orbitals so that a maximum number of unpaired electrons results. These three rules are using filling of electrons in available orbitals around the nucleus. Abbo's principle. Electrons are added in orbitals in order of increasing energy levels. These energy levels depends on principal quantum number n value and azimuthal quantum number L value. Which orbital n plus L value is lower value, those orbital have lower energetic orbital. Pauli's principle. No two electrons in the same orbital can have the same values of four quantum numbers. Wundt's rule. Electrons occupy equal energy orbital so that a maximum number of unpaired electrons results. Abbo's principle. Electrons fill the lowest energy orbitals first. Low energetic orbital depends on n plus L value. Above is a German word. It is given by building up or growing up. Pauli's principle. An orbital can hold a maximum of 2 electrons. An orbital can hold a maximum number of 2 electrons. To occupy the same orbital, 2 electrons must spin in opposite direction for every set of electrons in an orbital. Spin quantum number is always different. In helium present 2 electrons. These atomic number 2, electronic configuration 1s2. First cell N, L, M, S values of helium N is equal to 1, L is equal to 0, M is equal to 0 and S is equal to less of first electron values. Second electron values of N, L, M, S, N is equal to 1, L is equal to 0, M is equal to 0, S value is minus R. For every set of electrons in an orbital, spin quantum number is always different. According to this principle, for every orbital present maximum number of electrons 2. In these 2 electrons, spin quantum number is always different. According to Wundt's rule, within a sub-level place, 1 electron per orbitals before pairing them. These rules are using filling of electrons in available orbitals. What is an orbital? An atomic orbital is defined as the region in space around the nucleus in which the probability of finding the electron is maximum is called orbital. The region around the nucleus, where the probability of finding an electron is maximum called orbital. An atomic orbital is defined as the region in space around the nucleus in which the probability of finding the electron maximum. The probability of electron in an orbital is 95%. A plane of orbital at which the probability of finding electron is 0. The plane of electron, the finding of electron probability is 0 is called nodal plane. Where the electron finding probability is maximum is called orbital. The probability of finding an electron is 0 is called nodal plane. Around the nucleus, 2 places, one is nodal plane, another one orbital. One is orbital. These orbitals are for s orbital, p orbital, d orbital and f orbital. One is orbital. Space around the nucleus where the electron finding probability is maximum area is called orbital. The one tells you that the electron is in the orbital closest to the nucleus. S tells you about the space. 1s orbital in spherical shape. These s orbital n values are 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. S orbital L value 0, M value also 0. These s orbital in spherical shape. 2s orbital. Similar to 1s, except the electron is most likely in region further from the nucleus. It is also in spherical shape. This 2s orbital n value is 2, n value 0, m value 0, and s values are depends on number of electrons. P orbital. At the first energy level, there is only the 1s orbital. After the second energy level, there are s and p orbital. These 2p orbital look like dumbbell shape in the three directions along the x, y, z axis. These p orbitals are in dumbbell shape. P orbitals in dumbbell shape. These p orbitals n values are 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. P orbital L value is 1, m values are -1, 0, plus 1. These p orbital have three orientations. These three orientation of orbitals are px, py, pz orbital. These px, py, pz orbitals orientation of lobes along the x, y, z axis. These p orbital in dumbbell shape. P orbital n values are 2, 3, 4, so on. L value is 1, m values are -1, 0, plus 1. These p orbital in dumbbell shape. These p orbitals are three orientations. These three orientation orbitals are px, py, pz. These px, py, pz orientation of lobes along the x, y, z axis. P orbital in dumbbell shape. The three p orbitals are along x, y, z axis. Px, py, pz orbital. D orbital. For d orbital, L value is 2. Therefore, the angular momentum of an electron per d orbital is not 0 for L is equal to 2. The magnetic quantum number values are -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. Accordingly, there are 5 different space orientations for d orbitals. These d orbital in double dumbbell shape. D orbital principal quantum number values 3, 4, 5, so on. L value is 2, m values are -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. These d orbital have five orientations. These five orientation orbitals are dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square. These double dumbbells of d orbitals orientation along the lobes are between the axes. These five degenerate orbitals are orientation along the lobes axes are dxy, dyz, dzx. Orbitals in which lobes orientation along the axis dx square minus y square and dz square. Orientation of lobes between the axes are 3, along the axis of orbitals 2. dxy, dyz, dzx orbitals orientation between the axes. dx square minus y square, dz square orbitals orientation along the axis. So these five degenerate orbitals are present in double dumbbell shape. dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square. These are five degenerate orbitals of d orbital present in double dumbbell shape. Differences between orbit and orbital. Differences between orbit and orbital. Orbit. It is a circular path of electrons around the nucleus. Orbit is a circular path of electron around the nucleus. Orbit is a circular path of electron around the nucleus. Orbital. The region around the nucleus where the probability of finding an electron is maximum is called orbital. It is a circular path around the nucleus is called orbit. The region around the nucleus where the probability of finding an electron is maximum is called orbital. Orbit is circular in shape. These are circular shape around the nucleus. Orbitals have different shapes. S orbital in spherical shape, p orbital in dumbbell shape, d orbital in double dumbbell shape. Orbit always available in two-dimensional representation. Orbitals are in three-dimensional. These orbits depends on x comma y axis. Orbitals are depends on x, y, z axis. The region around the nucleus where the electrons around the pathing in a circular shape is called orbit. The region around the nucleus where the electron finding probability is maximum, orbital. Orbit in a circular shape. Orbitals are different in shape. Orbitals are s orbital in spherical shape, p orbital dumbbell shape, d orbital double dumbbell shape. Orbit in 2-dimensional along x comma y axis. Orbitals are in 3-dimensional along x comma y comma z axis. In orbit, the maximum number of electrons present in orbit 2n square. 2n square. N is represented by orbit number. N is equal to 1 first cell, N is equal to second cell, N is equal to 3 third cell. In first cell present only 2 electrons, second cell present 2 into 2 square, 4 into 2, 8 electrons. In third cell 2 into 3 square, that is equal 18 electrons. 2, 8, 18, so on. In orbital, the maximum number of electrons present each orbital is 2 electrons. The maximum number of electrons present in an orbital is 2 electrons. The orbit present only principal quantum number is required to describe orbit. This orbit depends on principal quantum number n value. Orbital is represented by principal quantum number, azimuthal quantum number and magnetic quantum number are required to describe orbitals. The maximum number of electrons present in orbit 2n square. In first cell present only 2 electrons, second cell present 8 electrons, third cell present 18 electrons, fourth cell present 32 electrons. These are different electrons present in different cells. But each orbital present maximum number of electrons are 2. This orbit depends on principal quantum number n value. Orbital depends on principal quantum number n, azimuthal quantum number L and magnetic quantum number m values are required to describe orbitals. These are differences between orbit and orbitals. Some electronic configuration due to given by increasing order of energy levels of Gauss rule. Whenever degenerate orbitals available, each orbitals present single electrons, then after pairing of electrons. No two electrons can have same values for 4 quantum numbers. These 3 rules using by writing of electronic configuration. Hydrogen, number of electrons 1, electronic configuration 1s1. Helium 2 electrons, electronic configuration 1s2. Lithium 3 electrons, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1. Or helium 2s1. Beryllium 1s2, 2s2 or helium 2s2. Boron 1s2, 2s2, 2p1 or helium 2s2, 2p1. Carbon 1s2, 2s2, 2p2 or helium 2s2, 2p2. Nitrogen 1s2, 2s2, 2p3 or helium 2s2, 2p3. Oxygen 1s2, 2s2, 2p4 or helium 2s2, 2p4. Fluorine 1s2, 2s2, 2p5 or helium 2s2, 2p5. Then after neon 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. These are writing electronic configuration of different electrons. About this topic, frequently asked questions. Explain about Abbo's principle. Explain about Abbo's principle. Abbo says electrons enter into lower energetic orbital before enter into higher energetic orbitals. This Abbo's principle depends on n plus L value, which orbital n plus L value, that is lower energetic orbital. Explain about Un's rule. Whenever degenerate orbitals are available for electrons, the pairing of electrons takes place only after all orbitals filled with one electron each. Explain Pauli's principle. No two electrons in an atom can have same values for four quantum numbers. Draw the shapes of orbitals. Orbital, the region around the nucleus where the electron finding probability is maximum, is called orbital. These orbitals are s orbital in spherical shape, p orbital in dumbbell shape. These dumbbell shapes are three orientation, px, py, pz. D orbital have 5 orientation, dxy, dyz, dzx, dx square minus y square, dz square orbital. These 5 degenerate orbitals shapes in double shape. Differences between orbit and arc. The region around the nucleus in a circular shape, the electron around in a path is called orbit. The region around the nucleus where the electron finding probability is maximum is called orbital. These are frequently asked questions. Explain about Gauss principle. Explain about Nernst rule. Explain about Pauli's principle. Draw the shapes of S, P, D orbital. Write difference between orbit and orbital. Thank you once again.